My perfect color, what can I do? Green, green color, where are you? Magic fruits will help me now. Red or pink, yellow or blue, purple, green, which one to choose? I'll be green, green, I love you. Magic water toy. Magic water toy. Takes bad colors away.
Fantastic!
All I have to do is splash, splash this way.
Are we done? We did a good job.
Oh,
We forgot something. Stop, stop.
Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every day, that is so easy. My white teeth smile to you, and your one smile to me. Great!
Our teeth are so clean, hip hooray.
Still something is not okay. Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
it's such a beautiful day. What is this terrible sound?
Nothing is better than rock!
Oh no, I can't take it anymore. Your music is disgusting. I'm tired of it.
Why are you so whiny?
What am I hearing? It's high time to start the battle between a rock star and a princess!
I'm ready. My Barbie is going to win this challenge.
We'll see about that. Hey, it's my fighter. I guess she just fell into the garbage. We were at the Rock Fest together and didn't have enough time to tidy up. Ugh! What on earth? I can't do it like that. We need a better solution. I will make a potion that will do magic to any haircut. First, we need lots of shampoo. Let's stir it really well for a better effect.
I already can't wait to test this potion!
Everything is ready now. Let's get to it, Barbie. Now, what do we have here? See? Everything came off easily. We can proceed! And here is my super cloth. Hello, Spidey. How are you?
It's a spider.
Oh, police! Don't be such a scaredy cat. The dirt is coming off easily this way. Great! All done here. Huh?
Hey, watch where you're throwing stuff.
Aww. These pimples need some special care. And I have a great idea. About this much of glue.
And some shiny glitter, too!
We will mix it really good. And voila! An awesome face mask is ready. This way, all the annoying pimples will be gone in no time. Your eyes need relaxation too, Barbie. And I have some time for a special treatment for myself. The face looks perfect. But not the legs! How come they're so hairy?
Yuck, I can't even look.
Then don't. We can deal with extra hair fast and with no mercy. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, let's see what we've got. Nice! Huh? Oh, my feta! What is this on my face?
This is hilarious! A mustached Stacy.
Okay, don't panic. I know what to do. I'm okay. Hey, what's with your feet? I have to fix it before everyone notices it. Luckily, I have a great solution for such cases. Oh, I wish someone took care of my feet like that.
Stacy, nobody knows more things about pedicure than you.
True. Here comes a pair of comfy flip-flops. And done.
Actually, I can organize a real spa, too.
I can help. This will get Barbie an even tan. Ew.
Okay, let's see how it works.
Uh-oh, it's too hot.
No, we don't need this. Barbie, it's time to change your clothes. I will give you the best massage ever.
I will help. I am an expert.
Oops, sorry. Now we'll do the chocolate wrap. Oh, I always wanted to do it. After this procedure, your skin feels awesome and smells great.
Hey, let me try.
Let's wrap you in foil so the chocolate absorbs better. Are you feeling like a candy bar already? All that is left to do is set the timer on. Let's wait just a little bit.
We have no time to sleep. We need to keep up with the challenge.
I'm awake.
Yuck! Is it necessary to sneeze at my side?
Sorry. Anyway, here is how my Barbie looks now. See? My spa treatment is much better than yours.
I know more tricks, huh?
I wanted to help you. Do you like it?
Oh no, what did you do? It's not how you dye hair, Sammy. Mission accomplished. I almost forgot to brush Barbie's teeth. We ate so many chips together. Let's use my super brush. And instead of lip gloss, gel nail polish.
Hail Tibidaba. That's some kind of innovative approach.
This will make her shine even brighter. Just a few more touches. Ah, she is such a beauty. Right! I also wanted to take care of her nails. Ooh, they are too long, but that's not a problem. Master Stacy is at your service. Now let's finalize that manicure.
And you call this a makeover? Okay, not this. Nope. What? This is not mine at all. Here's what I was looking for. Oh no.
Looking good, Nancy.
Uh-oh. Stacy, you have to help her out.
Don't worry, I'll fix it in no time.
Phew, thanks. Now I can move on with my Barbie's makeover. That's right, Candy can dye hair too. Just watch me. Let's dry her hair a bit, and voila! A perfect hairstyle is ready. Check this out, it's a complete makeover.
Complete, you say? How about a haircut then?
Girls, calm down. You both have beautiful dolls now, but they need new outfits.
I think I saw something in here. What is this? I don't remember this in my magazine.
You remember this?
Ew!
Uh-oh.
Oh, great! I will go first then. Let's see, wearing what will you look best? My Barbie will have a super stylish skirt. And the perfect outfit is ready. Now let's deal with the accessories.
Oh, my feta! This looks kinda painful.
Come on, Slime, man up! After all, we're creating a rock star here.
In that case, she needs really long lashes. I guess she likes that.
Let's finish her look with a few really cool elements and check out the result. She is awesome! Hey, what is going on?
It's just me. Our battle is not over yet. I need to change the weapon. That's better. But this is not enough for me to win. Oh, I know. Check out this awesomeness. So cute. Finally, it's time to decide who's the winner.
Sammy, it's your cue.
Are you ready? And the best makeover award goes to the Rock Style Barbie for the most innovative approach. Congratulations!
Yay, I won. I am the best. I didn't doubt that for a minute. And another medal is for my Barbie. You totally rock.
It's okay, dear. We will win next time for sure.
Yay!
And who is that? Is it your boyfriend? No, don't go. Don't leave me. Please stay with me. Oh, even my doll abandoned me.
Don't worry, I am with you.
And that's how friendship won again. Thanks for being with us today. Give us a like and subscribe. Bye!
Possible to make this in just 1 minute?
You're having a laugh.
Really, Tocky? Well, I think I can do it. I'll have to be very quick, but don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end.
Start the clock.
Here we go. Let's get the pink pipe cleaner and very carefully snip it in half like that. Then we're going to bend this half up like that to make a nose. Now we need a white pipe cleaner and we're going to wrap it around the pencil like this. There we go. If you slide it off, this is going to be the body of our mouse. There we go. That goes up to the nose. Then with this other pink piece here, we're going to fold it into ear shapes. There we go. There's one ear and there's the other ear. And we can pop that up and squeeze it into position. There we go. Our mouse has got 2 ears. Now we need to get these other 2 white pipe cleaners and wrap them around the pencil. There's one. And there's the other one. Wrap it round. This is the rest of the mouse's body. And then slide that off and slide it onto our mouse like that. Curl the tail up. And then we need to stick on 2 eyes. One bit of glue there, one bit of glue there. There's one eye. And there is the other eye. I've done it!
Only just.
That was close. And I made a little mouse in a minute. And if you've got more than a minute, you can make all sorts of pipe cleaner animals. Try making a pipe cleaner lion. This one's got long legs and loops for feet. Or how about this stripy caterpillar? It's got lots of small pipe cleaners for legs. A pipe cleaner creature made in a minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Take a pink pipe cleaner and bend the end to make a mouse nose. Twist the white pipe cleaner around a pencil. This makes the mouse's head. Slide it onto the pink pipe cleaner all the way up to the nose. Twist another pink pipe cleaner into the shape of 2 ears and attach them to the head. Twist and attach 2 more white pipe cleaners to make the mouse's body. And finally add 2 googly eyes to complete your pipe cleaner mouse.
Why don't you try making it in a minute? Oh, hello everyone.
Watch this!
I wonder what they're up to.
I'm dark blue. I am grey. I am orange. I'm yellow. I'm light blue. I am black.
It's a police car!
Well done, everybody. See you next time. Now it's time to...
Frame it. Frame it. Frame it. Now take a look at this.
This African sunset picture is great fun to do and looks so good you'll be able to frame it. You will need white paper, red paint, a paintbrush, a spoon, black and yellow oil pastels, and water. Start by folding a piece of paper in half. Now draw a picture in oil pastels above the folded line of the paper. Draw the ground with a black oil pastel, and then add a tree. As we're in Africa, let's draw 2 giraffes. For each one, draw a small head, a long neck, a body, and 4 legs. Then draw the sun with a yellow oil pastel. Now for the really clever bit. We're going to make the bottom half of the picture look like a lake. First, fold the paper in half and then scrape along the back of it with a spoon. Unfold the paper to reveal a reflection of your drawing. Then choose a sunset-coloured paint like red and add water to it to make a watery mixture. Cover your picture with the mixture, making the top half slightly darker than the bottom half. It's a beautiful African sunset, and the great thing is you only have to draw half of it.
What a brilliant picture. Why don't you have a go? And then frame it.
Isn't that effective? I like making art out of all sorts of things, so...
Take a look at this. It's my magic pencil, and it can draw pictures all on its own. Watch this. Oh. Can you guess what it's drawing?
It's a weightlifter! Well done, Magic Pencil. Now, what's it like outside?
What a lovely sunny day. It's time I gave my plants a bit of a watering. Yes, my plants love water.
But I don't.
Who said that?
Me! It's Bernard the Bug.
Oh, hello, Bernard. Sorry, can I splash you with the water there?
Just a bit, yeah.
Oh.
But never mind. It's time for me to fly away anyway.
Oh, okay, bye, Bernard.
Bye-bye, Mr. Maker.
Oh, careful, Bernard. That window's not... Oh, open. Bernard, are you all right?
Oh, I'm all right now. Just let me be. No, hang on. Oh, here we go.
Oh, poor old Bernard. He never looks where he's going. But still, he's given me a great idea. Let's make something.
Make your very own hilarious gloopy splat bug to stick on a window or a door.
Let's make it. We'll need some things from the doodle drawers. An old baking tray, some pink cards and a felt tip pen. PVA gloopy glue and a paintbrush. Some googly eyes that I got from the shop earlier. And some glitter and some sequins. Now, to make your very own splat bug, like this one here, you need to get yourself a baking tray and then some gloopy glue and add a big dollop right in the middle. There we go. Now, using the end of a paintbrush, we can flick out our gloopy glue to make a splat shape. There. Now, we can add our googly eyes on top. And we can even add some sequins and glitter. Now we can add a tongue to our splat bug. And we do that by drawing a tongue shape on some pink card. Now we're going to cut this out, but be careful because scissors are sharp. Whoa, hey! Now gently place the tongue into the gloopy splat mixture. There! Now we can leave it to dry overnight. Good night! Morning! And when it's dry, you can very gently peel off your splat bug from the baking tray. Here it comes. There, give it a little shake. And there you have it! A perfect gloopy splat bug. And the great thing about gloopy splat bugs is that you can stick them anywhere. By using some sticky tape, you can stick a splat bug on a book. This one's a different splat shape and it's got blue and gold glitter. Or you can stick one on a window, like this blue one.